and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can use Klarna on Amazon. First and foremost, what is Klarna? Klarna uses a popular payment method, which is shop now or buy now and pay later. There are different brands and stores wherein you can use Klarna, and Amazon is one of them. So you can do it either way in the mobile app and on your computer. So first, make sure to download the Klarna app, and then in the Klarna app, search for Amazon. And then you can start adding items to your cart. Now, once you're done, go to your shopping cart. So from there, when everything is added to your cart, go to the checkout page and you should see this button, just like this, that shows Pay with K. Now, Klarna creates a one-time credit card info that you can use to put as your payment during checkout, and then they actually call it a ghost card. Now, your true and actual credit card is the one connected on your Klarna account. And then what Klarna does is it splits the cost of your purchase into four smaller interest-free payments, and each of them are paid every 2 weeks. Now, you can also get Klarna as an extension to your browser. So let's say, for example, you're shopping using your computer. You can go ahead and open a new browser and just type in Klarna extension. So just click on this one and then click Add Klarna Now. So you would see this, and I already added my Klarna extension on my browser. So you should see Add to Chrome button here. So when you click on that extension, so this is what I showed you earlier. So it has the same button. So when you're ready to go and pay, just click Pay with K. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.